Only a few people know these amazing facts about Cristiano Ronaldo. If you already knew any of them, tell me in the comments. You might just be one of the few. Fact number 1. Ronaldo was named after U.S. President Ronald Reagan, who was greatly admired by his father. His full name? Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Fact number 2. At just 15, Ronaldo underwent heart surgery for a condition called tachycardia, but he made a full recovery and returned to football stronger than ever.
Fact number 3. He was expelled from school for throwing a chair at a teacher who disrespected him. Crazy, right? Now he's one of the highest paid athletes in the world. Fact number 4. As a kid, he was nicknamed Little B because he was super fast and zigzagged all over the pitch. And finally, fact number 5. Ronaldo is the first person ever to hit 1 billion followers across all social media platforms, worldwide. Mind-blowing, right? If you love fun facts like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing facts like this.